Hello and welcome to another Ginger Mathematician video. So today I want to mention my iGCSE Maths Vectors crash course. I've had lots of feedback about topics that you find difficult for iGCSE Maths, and vectors comes right at the top. So I've created a crash course for you, everything you need to know about vectors for both 0580 Maths and 0607 Maths, and it's also applicable for the iGCSE Edexcel. So if you're doing any of these three courses, this is the vectors course for you. This is totally free on Udemy, so I've launched a free Udemy course for you. And if you want to ask any questions about what I mentioned in the particular course, you can do that via the Udemy platform. And you're wondering, what is this Udemy platform? Well, the link to the course is in the description of this video, and again, completely free for you. Now, if you look at these particular courses, okay, why would this be useful to you? Well, I've done a recent poll and I've got almost 400 votes on this about my Ginger Mathematician resources, and you can see there is a whopping 21%, 25%, 21% of students that have improved by 1 grade or more by using my content. So it can be really, really useful for you to make sure you know all about vectors. Once you've done that particular course, I would recommend you check out the video right in front of you. This goes through about 40-50 minutes of typical exam questions, building on that knowledge from the Udemy course.